Hi, I'm Matt. Today's video lesson is about using countable and uncountable nouns. Knowing the difference between a countable and an uncountable noun is vital in English. So let's learn about this together. What do I have? 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas. What else do I have? Cheese, milk, and water. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. As you can see, there is a singular and plural form for the apples and bananas. For the plural form, we add an S to the singular nouns, apple and banana. They are called countable nouns. Apples and bananas are countable nouns because you can count the noun from 1, which is singular, to the plural amount, which is 2 or more in English. What about cheese, milk, and water? Cheese, milk, and water have a singular form, but no plural form. A noun which has a singular form, like cheese, milk, and water, but no plural form, is called an uncountable noun. Here are some more examples of countable nouns: oranges, books, pens, phones, and cars. Here are some more examples of uncountable nouns: tea, coffee, yogurt, information, and data. How do you change a countable noun from a singular to a plural? Let's take a look at one of the previous examples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. You add an S to the singular noun, which is apple. 1 apple becomes 2 apples. 1 banana becomes 2 bananas. This is the regular plural form. With some nouns, we add ES. 1 glass becomes 2 glasses. 1 watch becomes 2 watches. Nouns which end in S, C, and H, and also Z, X, or S and H, have ES added to them in the plural form. Let's look at some countable nouns in sentences. He ate 3 oranges in 1 day. She will send 5 emails by 10 o'clock. What about uncountable nouns? From the other examples, cheese, milk, and water do not have a plural form. Uncountable nouns like cheese and milk do not change, and you do not add an S or ES. They stay the same. Here are some uncountable nouns that we use in everyday English: sugar, meat, fish, money, and knowledge. Remember that with uncountable nouns, you don't add an S. Let's look at some sentences with uncountable nouns. The report has a lot of information. Not the report has a lot of informations. Tara drinks coffee in the morning and evening. Not Tara drinks coffees. Now you can use countable and uncountable nouns. Today we reviewed what is a countable noun, what is an uncountable noun, and examples of countable and uncountable nouns. Thanks for watching. See you later.